Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Ann Zulueta, 32 years old. I was born on December 13, 1992. I'm happily married with my husband, Miguel Zulueta. And we have one child named Ina Miel Zulueta, and she is 2 years old now. I am 2 years college graduate in a course of Associate in Computer Technology. I was the first child in our family, and I have one brother named Jo Maritan. My father's name is Adorete Tan, and he is 61 years old. And my mother's name is Jovi Tan. She is 54 years old. It's my first time to work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper, but I have my experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper. My first employer is Mr. Bienvenido and Miss Olive Mendoza, and I stay for them for 4 years. They are 6 members in the family. And for my second employer, his name is Sheikh Ahmad Salem. He is 55 years old. And I stay for them for 5 years. They are 6 members also in the family. My responsibilities and duties as a domestic helper to all my employers is to take good care of their children's elder and doing the household chore such as cleaning, cooking, gardening, car washing, marketing, ironing clothes, and even taking good care of their pets. To my future employer, I hope you can give me a chance to work with you as your domestic helper in your family, ma'am and sir. I promise to do very well my household chore and even taking good care of your family, especially when you have children and elder. And I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract, ma'am and sir. See you in Hong Kong, ma'am. And may the God bless you and your family.